So I am in Zambia and I decided to sister lock my hair. Let's do this. Hi guys. So today I'm about to do a thing. I've been thinking of doing this for 3 years now. Finally decided to do something in my hair. And so I am sister locking my hair today. Yeah, I trimmed my hair, or rather cut my hair, washed it clean. You can see the shrinkage. And today we are going to lock it. I have done my research and followed several pages on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, such as Kendra and many others. And I'm so excited about this journey. Let's go. Yeah, I found a loctician in Glasgow where I live, and so she'll take over with the reties. Happy to get tips from different people. And yeah, let's do this journey. Just look at how tiny these things are. I know the first few months are a bit but they start to look nice when they thicken. Like, look at that picture on the wall. Those are goals. That is the goal. I plan to add some color to them maybe in 5 years.
So I have been talking about getting her to do sister locks for the longest time, 5 years in the making. And I'm so proud that it's finally happening.
I've been initiated.
She's finally joined the sister lock community, and there'll be no regrets, I promise.
So far, I was telling her, I just love the feel. I can't wait to style it.
Our favorite person, Maria.
So this is Benny, my friend from high school days. Still my friend now. From the moment I saw her sister looks, I said, I want. And I've seen them grow from day one till now. And she used our favorite girl, Maria, to lock them. She's found in Salama Park. I can link you with her details. Actually, I'll post a screenshot of her page at the end of the video. So you guys can get locked and get on with the journey. And so I'm excited to see how far I go with this and how they flourish. I'm excited about styling them and just joining the community. So I'll read up more on them, join pages, and just get on with it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Again, here for the tips. Let me know if you have any questions, or we can explore this journey together. I'll post more as I go. And yeah, here's to being sister locked. Cheers.